Hi everybody, this is to help you to log into the computer for the first time on an RHD computer with your username and password. Your username, if you did not do a preferred name on your application, will be your first name, not your last name, and your password temporarily will be RHD lowercase in the first 5 of your social. We have MJP doing this for the first time, so you can go ahead and click login. Perfect. So you'll get this error message that says this user's password must be changed before logging onto for the first time. So hit OK, and then you're going to change it to something that you can remember. I'm not going to show you all her password. Y'all don't need to be in her business. Mind your business. All right. Perfect. Is it successful?
Yes.
Perfect. So password has successfully changed. Hit OK, and then it should create your desktop. So regardless if you're on a laptop or desktop, this may or may not come up. Use the same exact password that you just typed in. And then your email address. If you log in and you get something like this that says end user self-service, it's going to ask you to retype in your password and an alternate email address that you can get the one-time password that it sends to you, just to confirm your identity and that it's you. Perfect. Now, click on try to continue logging in. Perfect. So it may take some time to prepare your desktop because it's doing this from the server, which is similar to the cloud. Let's go click on where it says Okta on the desktop. Double click. Type in your username. And your password, the one you just created. Alright, and if the sign in fails again this time, we're going to do, after your username, let's type @rhd.org. Alright, just at rhd.org. Wonderful. Never. Now it's going to ask you for a secondary email in the event you ever get locked out. So type in your secondary email here. This is for Okta. And then it's going to ask you to choose a forgot password question just to verify your identity. She asked a good question. She said, can you make up a question? It does allow you to make up a question at the bottom.
Okay. Okay.
And choose a security image. Then you don't have to choose the same one she's choosing. You can choose one of your own. And then create my account. So Okta is what gives you access to. Click OK. Okta gives you access to all of these different features on here: balance track, my RHD, Cornerstone. But the one we're going to focus on today is Lawson, because Lawson is where you submit your time for your payroll. So Lawson is right there. You just passed it, sweetheart. I just. You just passed it again. So your username again, and then your password. So again, you're looking for Lawson once you get in through Okta. Perfect. So this shows that you logged in successfully. So at the top where those numbers 27033, that's your employee ID number. It'll always come up here in Lawson. I doubt that you'll ever use it, but that's where it is. To the far left, you'll see where it says site navigation. Far left.
I'm tired.
And click on time entry. So clicking on time entry brings you to here, PMA, and then at the far left again at the top where it says time card, you're gonna click there. Perfect. So this is set in bi-weekly format. So this is where you will submit your time for your bi-weekly pay. So our payroll started on June 2nd and it ends on the 15th. Obviously, I don't believe anyone's working on the weekend, so your time should primarily be Monday through Friday for both weeks. So let's just do a trial. Let's go Monday the 3rd. Can you enter your hours in for Monday the 3rd? Mm-hmm. So in hour 8 a.m. out hour 3 p.m. Now click on that drop arrow. It's regular time. Hit regular time. And then go over one more. And then unit is 5695 youth development. So you'll enter your time, your regular pay code, your pay code is regular and your unit is 5695. So you'll do this for Monday through Friday for whatever times you've worked for both weeks. Then you will click save all the way over, validate, and then you would click submit, but don't click submit at this entrance. But when you have finished, you will save, click validate, and submit. When I say finish, meaning you've put in all of your time, you will save, validate, and submit. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to email and or call. Thank you so much.